lone wooden galley cuts through the choppy Mediterranean waves. It's 1183, Granada, Spain. The young official stands before the governor of Granada, forced to consume 7 cups of wine against his religious principles. To atone for this transgression, the governor fills the official's pockets with 7 cups of gold dinars. With this sudden wealth and a heavy heart, the man decides to leave his comfortable life in the courts of Al-Andalus to fulfill his sacred duty. He sets out on a journey that will take him across the fractured landscape of the 12th century, documenting a world caught between the cross and the crescent. He boards a ship in Seta, crossing to Sicily and eventually reaching the shores of Egypt. In Alexandria, he is struck by the immense Pharos lighthouse and the efficiency of the local bureaucracy, though he bristles at the aggressive tax collectors. He travels down the Nile to Cairo, marveling at the pyramids, which he describes as ancient structures of incomparable scale. From Egypt, he crosses the Red Sea, surviving treacherous storms and narrow escapes from coral reefs, driven by the singular goal of reaching the holy city of Mecca. After performing his pilgrimage, he begins a long trek through the Arabian desert, joining a massive caravan protected by the forces of the Caliph. He reaches Baghdad, a city he finds beautiful but fading, its glory tarnished by the arrogance of its inhabitants. He observes the intricate social structures of the Abbasid capital, noting the contrast between the grand hospitals and the crumbling neighborhoods. As he turns toward the Levant, he enters the territories of the Crusader states, where he witnesses a surprising reality of coexistence. In the Latin Kingdom of Jerusalem, he observes Muslim farmers living under Christian lords, noting that they are treated more fairly by the Crusaders than by some Muslim governors. He watches Christian and Muslim merchants trade freely in the markets of Acre and Tyre, documenting a pragmatic peace that defied the rhetoric of holy war. Eventually, he boards a Genoese ship to return home, but a catastrophic shipwreck off the coast of Sicily nearly ended his life. He is rescued by the Norman king William II, whom he describes as a just and sophisticated ruler who employs Muslim scholars in his court. He finally returns to Spain, bringing back a detailed record of the Mediterranean's most volatile era. This person is Ibn Jubayr.